Everybody have the way. Just because you are rigid or you think those things are. Everybody have the way they do their own.
Yeah,
things.
people are different, and that's
people
okay.
People are different.
Okay, then why were you angry that this guy kissed a girl? If you really liked him, you would have accepted him.
What are you saying? I never approached you and told you I was angry. Did I?
Sorry.
Were you coming back?
It's like I can never really talk to you as a friend.
Don't you go and sleep now? So
I am talking to you. I am telling you facts. If you cannot accept the way I'm saying it, then that's cool.
Nothing. You know what I don't like, Chomzy. Chomzy, do you know one thing I don't like?
Talk. We know
about you.
Person.
I feel like you're too defensive at times.
Really?
Yeah, it's like someone might be trying to communicate with you. You just don't get it. Okay. You just start.
Okay.
You start fighting. You always say that, you're so friendly or so.
Let me mediate. So, what Chichi was telling you is correct. And what she wanted to tell you is what Chichi was telling you. But I told her not to speak because everything he tells me, she can't be saying it because he's not going to tell me anything anymore. Because he's going to start feeling like you're my boy, but you're pillow talking with
no, but you
your
didn't
woman.
Tell me. I heard it.
I know you heard it. But
you didn't tell me anything.
Yeah, but he's not going to know that you heard it. He's just going to think I told you.
No, but he said it's out in the open, the room.
Yeah, but nobody thinks like that, babe.
Okay.
Do you get what I'm saying? So anyway, that's why we were using style for her to be able to tell you, for you to get the message. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So that's basically the P.
Okay, so the point here, I didn't get the message.
Yeah.
And why I said
you refuse to get the message.
Why I said it is because you have like, he has a girl. Like if a guy doesn't define something to us, we can't know if he has a girl.
He doesn't have a girl.
He didn't come and tell you that I have a girlfriend.
He said it, I asked him.
He told you he has a girlfriend.
I asked him.
But
maybe it doesn't, maybe I don't know.
I asked him, Beauty is your girl, right?
No, yeah, they were in a relationship, I think. But obviously, if he's been chilling...
But they did not break up. It was just because she was disqualified.
Yeah, and now he's chilling with somebody new. Everyone's different, isn't it?
Anyway, I can't fuck with such men. That means me and you might be sharing something. Then if something... It's just like Deji going to another level. Then I started liking another guy automatically. Just because Deji is not here.
Well, it's possible.
Not that I like him trying to do something with another guy.
Okay.
I wouldn't want my friend to be in that situation. If I don't care about her, I won't be hitting it on her like...
You think that we don't all marry the first guy we meet?
I'm not.
That's the truth.
I get
maybe it might even be...
I get what
all my
you're both
workouts
saying.
might even be her and him.
I get what you're both saying, but everybody's completely different.
What might even work might be her and him.
All I can say now is very obvious. Like, it's very obvious that who you really like is him. So if that's what you want, stop seeking for advice and go for what you want. Because our advice will not move, it will not change anything. You understand me? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But if you want advice, I will advise you not to.
Like I said, I don't belong to anybody. I'm to everybody.
Yeah, but I feel like I agree with you.
You are for everybody.
I agree with you.
No, that's what I heard.
I agree with you. I agree with you, but I think that if you and him start talking properly, you guys will chill with each other.
I might not. What if I don't
like him? But that's if you don't like him, yeah. You might not like him.
And things can change. A lot of things can go wrong.